There are many good reasons to use an action camera when driving a motorcycle. Just to remember a beautiful road, or to be able to share the view with others. But also for security reasons. A lone bike driver can be caught in a situation where a car full of people have a very different view of the course of events. I have been reviewing cameras for motorcycle use since the very first waterproof compact cameras came on the market. But I'm still looking for the perfect motorcycle camera, and when I saw the specifications for the MT1, I thought I found it. The installation is relatively simple. I had room under the seat for the central unit, all connections are color coded. You connect the camera unit to the battery and try to find a lead that gets its power only when the ignition is turned on. I made a bracket for the remote control in easy reach for my left thumb and mounted the GPS antenna on the fairing. The front and rear camera was fastened with the self-adhesive mounts, and then I drove off for the first cycling tour. Not really the expected result. So I changed from plastic to the metal mounts. Still the same vibration problem. Tried other positions from the front camera, both on top of and under the fairing. Made a bracket that was bolted to the mount for the windscreen. Switched to a GoPro style mount. Nothing helped. All other cameras I have reviewed have been mounted on the handlebars with a ram mount, so I put the front camera on that mount. As you can see, the MT1 lenses are too sensitive to vibrations. It's a camera not usable, at least not on the type of bike I was using for the review.